Good morning. It's Sunday, March 12th. I just woke up. Me and Codes are about to go to the store and get some groceries and then probably stop at Starbucks and get some food and maybe a drink or something. And we'll see what happens. It's already time to get 2 more waters. So it's like 50 and windy right now. And I started out of the apartment and I was like, ooh, it's kind of cold. So I had to run back inside and get a jacket. Feels nice outside though. Can I get a Cascara Frappuccino with an extra shot of espresso?
Sure, I can make that for you. What else can I get for you?
And that's gonna be a venti. There's
A venti?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Can I do a coconut milk mocha macchiato?
Coconut mocha macchiato. Can I get you anything else?
Can you add a Splenda?
And a sugar-free
Sure, no problem. I can do that for you.
And a sugar-free mocha?
Unfortunately, I do not have sugar-free mocha.
That's fine. Just the regular.
Just the regular mocha then, and then what else do you want?
I want that ham and cheese croissant.
Can I do a ham and cheese croissant?
Yes. Anything else?
Actually, let me do 2 ham and cheese croissants.
And a slow roasted ham and Swiss.
Anything else?
2 slow roasted ham and Swisses also.
So here is the coffee frappuccino, the Cascara,
Okay.
and then the caramel.
Okay.
And here are your pastries.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mine was supposed to be hot.
Is that it? We're good? White Girl Basic. So I ordered a slow roasted ham and Swiss. But they forgot to put the ham in the Swiss. This is going to be an interesting day. Yeah, I thought that was really that was a fake out. Oh shit! Just hit the rock. Oh. We have arrived. So the other week I was complaining because the lady gave me too many bags and she was bagging like 1 Powerade at a time. Well, today our guy didn't want to bag anything. He literally didn't bag our milk, and then he bagged 1 Powerade. And then my beer, he didn't bag that. It was ridiculous. Right, Codes?
Right.
Tell him what else happened.
What happened?
I hit a rock
Oh, he hit a rock.
while pushing the basket, and it made a very loud noise and an abrupt stop.
Oh, Jesus, be careful.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Oh, don't go.
Don't go. I feel like there goes all the groceries.
Just fell back.
Everything just fell backwards. Every time I go to the store with my wife though, it's like really expensive. Drop top. Smoking on cookie in the hot box. Raindrop. Drop top.
No.
We made it. Alright, so me and Codes are about to head to the gym. And I'm probably going to be a quick one because I'm really running behind on time today. So I'm going to go ahead and flip you there. 3, 2, 1.
I'll give you everything you'll ever need, and I'll find a way to turn you into a monster. Me and you, we can rule the world, 'cause no one's gonna fuck with me and my monster. I'll give you
Just made it here. About to do a lot of squats. A lot of volume with like 500 and limited rest time, so let's get it. and Coach just finished working out. I did a 5x5 on squat at 500. And I tried to like go slow on my descent and then really explode on the ascent. And then I did like 5 sets of 2 and 3 on bench with 352. And did a little bit of bike. How do you think it went, Coach?
It went good.
That's what Coach's got to say. It was a good workout. Gonna get the oil done real quick. I've been needing to. So I'm getting my oil changed real quick. Coach, get you some coffee. Look, got coffee over there. Some free. Move out of the way for a second. Does it say free car wash with every oil change?
It's okay.
Is it good?
Yeah. You didn't have to go that high.
Makes you nervous. Why does it make you nervous? Yeah.
The number 16 seed, they won the SWAC regular season title as well as the tournament championship. The number 8 seed in the South, the Razorbacks of Arkansas. Coach Mike Anderson, not in a losing season in his 15-year coaching career. Arkansas 25-9. They will meet the 9th seeded Pirates of Seton Hall, 5th seed out of the Big East. Back-to-back NCAA tournament appearances since PJ Carlissimo way back in the early 90s. Now, first and second round games on
I don't know. I've never changed it before. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Kind of looked like a filter, but it was little. My truck filter is big.
It's a little Jeep.
Great turnaround for the year. Great turnaround for Richard Pitino. Struggled last year.
Oh, those are some nice windshield wiper blades over there.
I think that was
Please do not touch the TV. Coach, don't touch the TV. I forgot to use my free car wash last time. Want to hear something funny? Before I got my Jeep, I had my Mustang. Whenever I was going to trade out my Mustang for the Jeep, I had like 5 quarts of oil in my trunk of my car, and I was like, oh, it's not going to be the same oil. So I went ahead and just threw away the oil. Like, I'm not even thinking about it. Didn't even check the Jeep. Well, come to find out, it's the same oil that goes to my Jeep. So I wasted like 5 quarts of oil. Cool. You already know what time it is. It's that pumpkin pie time. Pumpkin pie. Yeah. Get that pumpkin pie in there. 3 scoops. 3 scoops. Three scoops. 3 scoops. So I'm about to cook some steak and fettuccine, maybe some mixed vegetables, and my lunches for tomorrow. Probably I got a bag of chicken I'm about to cook in the pan. It's gonna be a good evening. Probably gonna end this video right here with this. Have a good evening. The current situation.